subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class we will try to understand conversion of numbers from one base to other. So as we are discussing about this concept from the last two videos. Please watch those videos and come back here, because the concept that is required for the conversion of numbers in one base to another base was clearly discussed in our previous videos. So as we are discussing, if you are given with a number in base x and if you want to convert it to a number in base y, what we have to do is we have to convert the number in base x to base 10, and the number that has been obtained in base 10 has to be converted into base y. So the concept of how to convert base x to base 10 and from base 10 to base y has been clearly explained in our previous video. So now in this video we will try to convert the numbers in base x and base y, so two different bases. So the conversion from one base to another base, we will try to solve these problems in this video based upon the concept that we have already discussed in our previous two videos. We are trying to solve these problems in this video. So how to convert? Given a number in base x, to convert it into base y, we have to first convert the base x number to base 10. So what they have given, it is 22, it is not 22, 22 in base 3, and we have to convert it into base 5 number. How to convert this is 22 in base 3 first has to be converted into base 10 number, and this base 10 number that we are going to obtain has to be converted into base 5 number. So these are the steps that we need to follow. First we will convert the 22 base 3 number to base 10. How to convert a number to base 10? So how to convert is find some of the positional weights. So how to convert and all those concepts were already discussed in our previous video. Based on that we are doing the calculations very fast. It is 2 into 3 power 1, it is 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8. So the decimal equivalent of 22 base 3 is 8 base 10. Now this 8 base 10 has to be converted into base 5. How to convert a decimal number to other bases? How to convert is we have to divide this decimal number with the base which we would like to convert until the quotient is 0. So what is that? It is 1 time, remainder is 3, and 5 0 1, and we have to take the remainders from bottom to top. It is 1 3. So the conversion of 22 base 3 to the base 5 number is 1 3. 22 in base 3 is equivalent to 1 3 in base 5. Similarly, how to calculate? So the answer is 1 3 base 5. Now we would like to convert 422 base 5 into base 9 number. How to convert this? 422 in base 5, we have to convert it into a base 9 number. How to convert it? 422 in base 5 has to be converted into a base 9 number. First what we have to do? We have to convert this number to base 10. How to convert? It is 422. Find the positional weight, sum of the positional weights of all the digits in the number. It is 2 into 5 power 0 plus 2 into 5 power 1 plus 4 into 5 square. It is 100 plus 5 to 10 plus 2. What is that? It is 112. Okay, so this 112 has to be converted into base 9. How it has to be converted? 112 has to be divided with the number to which you would like to convert. It is base 9. until the quotient is 0. So that is important to understand. It is 9 means 1 time, okay, 1 time 22 22 means 2 times 18, 4 is the base. Next 9, 1 time, remainder is 3, again 9, 0, 1. So the conversion, so the decimal number 122 when converted into 9 base is 134. Don't call it as 134. 134 is in base 10, not in base 9. That is the reason why we're calling it as 134. Okay. So now coming to the next example. Next example, we have to convert. So the concept is very simple. So hope you watched that video, previous video. So based upon the previous videos concepts, it's very simple to solve. Now what we have, 57 base 8, 57 in base 8 has to be converted into a base 2 number. Okay, how to convert it? How to convert it is, first we have to convert it into 57 to base 10, and that the obtained result, base 10 result, has to be converted into base 2. What is the base 10 conversion? 57 converted into base 10. How it will get converted? It is 7 into 8 power 0 plus 5 into 8 power 1, which is 45 plus 7, 45 plus, sorry, it is 40 plus 7, which is equal to 47. Now what we have to do, this 47 decimal equivalent, this 47 has to be converted into base 2 number. For that we have to do division until the quotient is 0. It is 1, 3, 1, sorry, it is 2, 2, 3, 1, 23, okay, 1, 2, 1, okay, what is this? It is a 1, sorry, 2, 2, 3, 1 we got, okay. Next 1, 1, it is 1, 11, 1, again 2, it is a 5, 1, 47 in binary, okay, again 2, 2, 1, again 2, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1. So the decimal binary equivalent of 47 is 101111. This is the binary equivalent of 47 in decimal, and the 57 in base 8, when it will get converted into base 2, it is 101111. Okay, so this is how a number given in any base can be converted into a number to another bases. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding these concepts, please post your doubts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.